Today, you're going to learn how to wash your carpet the quickest and easiest way and get results from this to this. What are you going to need? Well, it's very simple. The very first thing that you're going to need is degreaser. Any type of degreaser that you have on hand will work. In my case, I'm going to use Super Clean because this is the one that has given me the best results and it's very easy to find. It costs me only $8 a gallon and you can easily find it in your local Walmart. Do not forget to dilute it 4 parts water, 1 part Super Clean on a spray bottle. Hot water. Yes, any form of hot water. We just need it to be on a spray bottle or a pump spray. Whatever you have on hand will work. If you have an empty gallon of milk, clean it and that will work too. And if for any reason you cannot get hot water, I will give you a clue. Think about how to boil water while you're out camping. A brush or something to scrub with. You can easily find this almost everywhere. 99-cent store, Walmart, Amazon. A microfiber and gloves. Yes, gloves. Do not forget to wear gloves, okay? What tools are recommended? Well, while the recommended tools are not necessary, you can get the same results with or without them. They're merely going to give you just faster results. A brush attachment is the eighth wonder when it comes to cleaning carpets. It will save you lots of time and you can either attach it to your drill or your buffer. An extractor. An extractor is really recommended if you truly want to remove dirt and grime. Otherwise, you will just be moving dirt around and not cleaning anything. And yes, I know various extractors are worth several $100s just like this one. But you can build your own extractor by taping this $4 attachment into any vacuum. And if you don't have a vacuum, you can go to those $1 self-serve car wash and use their vacuums. That's how I started my business. A steamer. Steamers are very good at loosening up dirt from carpets, which leads to save you a lot of time. Can you get the same results without a steamer? Hell yeah! I know steamers are kind of expensive. They range between $80 all the way to $7,500. But if you're able to get any of the McCulloch that ranges from $80 to $200, it's more than enough. Horton or puzzle mats. I know. Cavro, are you okay? What are puzzle mats doing here? Well, this might not be elementary, but puzzle mats or carton will prevent you from dirt sticking back into the floor mat and bringing dirt back into the carpet. Step number 1, removidilla. You may want to remove any of your belongings and clear the area. The reason why you might want to remove your belongings and clear the area is so you can avoid the vacuum soaking up the things that are very important for you. Otherwise, they will end up in the unfindable bottom of your vacuum. Step number 2, aspiradilla. After you remove your belongings and clear the area, it's now time to do some quick little vacuum. And sorry about that, guys. I know your car might not have that many things or scary creatures like these ones right here, but let's take care of it. Oh man, that was good. Do not get crazy trying to get every little piece out. As you see, there's some stuff that I missed. The point here is to do a quick little vacuum. Step number 3, mojadilla. Once the area is clear, it's now time to spray some degreaser over the area and scrub with medium to moderate force. If you have a steam, wrap it on a microfiber and steam up the area before you apply the degreaser. This will blend the dirt and it will make you scrub less. Don't worry if you don't have a steamer. I'm going to do half of the carpet without the steamer, and I'm going to show you so you can see we're going to get the same results. Once you scrub the area, mop off the excess with a clean microfiber. If the stain disappears, great. Stop there, you're all set. Woohoo! But if you want to do a deep carpet cleaning to bring back the life of your carpet, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Yeah! Step number 4, mojadota. Here's when we're gonna use the power of hot water to lift all the dirt and lift all the good stuff, We're gonna soak the carpet in by spraying a lot of water. But wait, one thing I want to mention before you soak the carpet in is to always make sure your car does not have any electronic panels or sensors underneath the carpet, as most European cars do. Just Google it and you'll find out. But in case your car does have some electric panels, don't worry, the greaser and steam will be enough and it will not damage anything. Anyways, let's get it. Once the carpet is soaked in, spray some degreaser and let the water and the degreaser sit for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's give it a good scrub. I have a drill with brushes, but I know not everybody has this, so I'll do it with you guys. After you scrub the area, quickly vacuum all the dirt and water out. Let's do it before it dries so we prevent dirt from adhering back to the fibers. Once you vacuum all the water out, go over with the clean microfiber to take as much water as possible. You may have to repeat this process twice. It just depends in your situation. After you're done, just make sure you let the car dry for at least 6 hours by rolling down the windows to avoid mold and moisture. Step number 5 is have fun. Dance, sing, play music, or listen to the news if that's what you like. But be happy, be you, and enjoy whatever the heck you're doing. Because remember, we only have one opportunity and we never know if tomorrow we're going to be able to stand up or live. And there you go. That's all for today, guys. That's how you wash your carpet. And look at that, baby. It's so much beautiful than before. Hopefully you guys liked the video, and if it did, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help me a lot. And if you learned something from this channel and would love to learn more skills, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, I'm gonna leave all the links to all the products that I've used in this video in the description below. And I am also gonna leave a free PDF about all the things that I'll talk on this video. I know my deaf community also wants to learn. Let's demonstrate we can also do it. Let me know at the comment section below or my personal email address for any question that you guys have, any suggestion into how to improve my videos, or anything that you're interested and you'd like me to teach you. And if you're gonna clean your carpet, be sure to tag me on Facebook or Instagram. I want to see the before and after of your results. And I want you to remember something. You are the reason why I created this channel. You are the most important thing for me, and I will always be happy to help you. Thank you so much, guys. See you on the next video.